How to hard reset Nokia 2.1. Step 1. In the first step, turn off the smartphone by pressing the power button for a couple of seconds. Step 2. Then connect your Nokia 2.1 with micro USB cable plugged into PC, laptop or charger. Step 3. Wait until you see charging indicator, battery with percentage symbol on screen.